Let me show you how to create this graphic poster effect in less than 3 minutes. Without further ado, let's jump into Figma and let's get started. Import the background picture in Figma. Command D to duplicate it. Let's hide the background one and make sure you're having selected the top layer. Press on the star icon and look for Remove Background. You don't need any plugins or any other programs or website to remove the background. Figma will do it for you. And voila! The background is now removed. Let's make background 1 visible again. Select both layers and frame the section. Now, let's add our text. I'm using the font Calcio Demo. Place the text between the background 1 and the background 2. Let's add some more details. And for this, I'm going to use the font Moki, but feel free to choose whatever font you like. Let's make it smaller and place it on top of the Porsche text. We need a complementary color that will stand out in our composition, so I'm going to pick the red from the brake calipers. Press on the R for rectangle or simply choose it from the bottom toolbar. Let's draw a rectangle the same size as the frame. Go to Fill and choose Gradient. And now make sure that the black is 100% opacity and the white is 0% opacity. On Appearance, choose Darken and make sure that the opacity is at 50%. Drag the rectangle layer on top of the background layer and watch how the car pops up. Add a text box at the bottom of the frame. I'll be using the Inter font for this. Type something random in the box so we can visualize how the size of the text is going to look like. I'm going to use the 16 pixels for now. Now, here's where the magic happens. Go onto the star icon again and select Rewrite This. Into the prompt, write whatever you want text to be about and wait for the magic to happen. Figma will generate a text based on your requirements. This is a bit small, so I'm going to make it bigger. Let's duplicate the red text and press K and make it really large till a couple of letters are into the frame. Tick the box on Clip Layout to understand the context a little bit better. Press on Effect and into the drop-down selection, select the Layer Blur. Adjust the blur to create the effect of a camera that focuses onto the car but blurs whatever's into the foreground. Duplicate the text for a more intense look. Drop the money in and remove the background image. Place it into the frame. Now duplicate it and place it on opposite side to create a visual balance. Go on Effect, Layer Blur and adjust the blur to make the money look like they are floating. Do the same for the other one. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.